It's air filter time for the Audi. So man filters, I believe, are the originals, so I'm using those. The air filter on this 1.4 TFSI is here with straight crossheads, which is interesting. There's four. I'm sure you don't need to see me unscrewing these. So there's one down there and one there. That's the lid off. Got another crosshead. Wow, that's flipping easy. That's way easier than the Focus. Side by side, new and old. It's pretty gross, pretty clean. Doesn't seem particularly airtight, but I guess this thing squeezes it so that this pushes the edge of the filter here up against it. It pushes it against this here to squeeze it into place. Makes more sense. So I'm just pushing this bit in. Yeah, you have to push it in quite firmly. Down quite hard and it pushes the air filter against the seal, I think. So just screwing it back up. And let's put the lid back on and we're all good. I took the lid off here, so this is the intake into the air filter. It just comes in there, so the air goes through the air filter into the turbo. But it's always good to know where the air intake is. So I took the cap off, just pops off, and it feeds. The air just comes in through the top here into the grille. Don't know if you can see in there. So it's good to know when you're going through deep water or whatever where the air's coming in. So at least it's quite high, because I think on some modern cars it's lower down, so if you're going through even relatively shallow water you can pull some water into the engine. So it's good to know that's quite high up anyway. So right, I'll put the lid back on. Right, so that's all back on there. Let's just put the lid back on. Just pushes on nicely. And then just screw them back up again. So that was nice and easy as well.